Well, in this session, I am going to solve questions 17 and 18 from section number 5, test 2, and questions 1 through 6 or maybe more from section number 6, test 2. And all of these questions are given on pages 495 through 497. These days, I am in Calgary, Canada. So if you need any help in mathematics, you can send me an email. This is my email address, sbarkat@hotmail.com. And all these questions are given in this book. Right. So let us start. Question number 1 is on page 497. It gives a table. In this column, these are spices and these are price per pound. So this is cinnamon, $8 per pound, nutmeg, $9 per pound, ginger, $7 per pound, cloves, $10 per pound. The owner of a shop buys 3 pounds of each one of them, and sells at $2 per ounce. I'm sure you know that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. Okay, what I'm going to do is I add up all these prices, so that will be $34. It means 8 plus 9 is 17, plus 7 is 24, plus 10 is 34. So it means that for $34, the owner of the shop can buy 1 pound of each one of them. But he buys 3 pounds, so he will pay $34 times 3, which is equal to $102. This is the buying price. And he sells at the rate of $2 per ounce. So if he sells at the rate of $2 per ounce, which is the same as $32 per pound, because 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So if I multiply 16 ounces by 2, I will get 32. So this is the selling price, $32 per pound. Now, how much is the total weight of all these? There are 4 types of spices, and each one is 3 pounds. So the total weight is 12 pounds. So the selling price would be 12 times 32, which is equal to 4, and this is 384. So this is the selling price and this is the buying price. So the profit would be 384 minus 102, and this would be 282. So $282 is the profit. Okay. Well, that was question number 17. Now it should be clear. Let me say it again. This is the buying price, 34 times 302, and this is the selling price, $32 per pound, and the total weight of these 4 spices is 12. So $384 is the selling price, and the difference between the buying price and the selling price is 282, which is the profit. I hope this should be clear. Okay, now we move on to question number 18. Right. E, F, G and H are points on a straight line. The ratio of EG, that is this much, to EF, that is this much, is 5 to 3. Or you can say EG is equal to 5 by 3 times EF. Well, this is given. Also HF, this is HF, from here to here is HF is equal to 5 times FG. Well, this is FG. Okay, we are required to find the ratio of EF to HG. Okay, now from here I can say that 3 times EG is equal to 5 times EF. I transfer this 3 on this side. So 3 times EG is equal to 5 times EF, or EF is equal to 3 by 5 times EG. Okay. Now on this side EF is equal to 3 by 5 times EG. Okay. On this side we are given HF is equal to 5FG, but HF is equal to FG plus GH. You can see it here. FH is equal to FG plus GH or GH. So this is equal to 5 times FG. I've got FG here, so I transfer it to the right and I will get GH is equal to, this is 5FG and this FG will be negative FG on the other side, so we will get 4FG. Okay, so we have got GH is equal to 4FG and we have got EF is equal to 3 by 5 EG. Then the ratio is EF to HG. EF. Now EF is 3 by 5 EG and HG is 4 FG. So we can divide it. EF to HG is equal to, what is EF? 3 by 5 EG. So this is 3 by 5 EG. And HG, GH is equal to 4 FG. Okay, I made a mistake here. Let me do it from here. EG. EG, not even this. This is 3. Okay, what is EG? EG is equal to EF plus FG. This is equal to EF plus FG. And this is equal to 5 EF. Okay, this is 5. Now this is 3 EF plus 3 FG is equal to 5 EF. Okay, now this is 3 EF and this is 5 EF. So if I transfer this on the other side, I will get 2 EF here, and this is equal to 3 FG. But I need EF in terms of FG, so I transfer this 2 on the other side and I am writing it here. EF will be equal to 3 by 2, this 2 goes down here, FG. So this is 3 by 2, this is 3 by 2 FG, this is FG, this is FG. Now FG will cancel with FG and I will be left with 3 by 2 divided by 4. So this is 3 by 2 multiplied by 1 upon 4. 4 2s are 8, so I will get 3 upon 8. This is the ratio, 3 by 8. I hope it should be clear. Okay, now we move on to question number 1, which is on page 496. If x plus 6 is greater than 0 and 1 minus 2x minus 1 is greater than minus 1, then x could equal each of the following except 1. Okay, now from here I get x greater than minus 6 if I transfer 6 on the other side, and from here I'll get minus 2x greater than minus 1 minus 1. If I transfer 1 on the other side, this will become minus 1. Or minus 2x greater than minus 2. Or I can say minus x greater than minus 1. Or I can say x greater than 1. Okay. Now x is greater than 1 and x is greater than minus 6. So what is the answer? What could be the answer? X is greater than 1 and x is greater than this will be less. I'm sorry. This will be less. X is less than 1 and x is greater than 6. Okay. So what about the line? Let us see. Let's say this is minus 6 and I will draw a hollow circle here because this is not included. X is greater than minus 6. And this is 1 and here also I will draw a hollow circle because x is less than 1. Is it okay? Now, which could be the answer? The answer could be A, minus 6. Why? Because minus 6 is not included whereas it is minus 6. So this is the exception. Just by the way, let us check the other answers also. Minus 4 is well within this limit. Minus 2 is well within this limit. 0 is within this limit. Half is within this limit. So this is not the answer. This is not the exception. This is not the exception. This is not the exception. I hope the point is clear. Okay. Now, if X ounces of beer, one girl has X ounces of beer, if she pours Y ounces into each of Z glasses, how much will be left? Okay. She pours Y ounces in each of the Z glasses, so the total amount poured will be YZ. How much was beer available? X. So out of X, this much has gone and we are left with X minus YZ, which is D. I hope it should be clear. Okay. Just by the way, because something is going away, we should expect a negative sign. So this cannot be the answer because this is not a negative sign. This cannot be the answer. Okay. What about this? There is a negative sign, but the amount that is going away is YZ. So this could not be the answer. Similarly, the amount is going is YZ. So this cannot be the answer. This is just by the way. Okay. Right. So that was question number 2. Let us move on to question number 3. Which of the following could be the equation of the line shown in the graph? This is the line. I am sure you know that because this line makes an obtuse angle with the axis of X, the slope will be negative. It will have a negative slope. This is one thing. And because this is the y-intercept and you can see it is above the origin, so the y-intercept will be positive. Okay, now let us look at each one of them. The slope is positive, so this cannot be the answer. The slope is positive, so this cannot be the answer. The intercept is negative, so this cannot be the answer. The intercept is negative, so this cannot be the answer. Here the slope is negative and intercept is positive, so this is the answer. I hope it is clear. Well, that was question number 3. Let us move on to question number 4. Okay. There are lights of different colors: blue, orange, green, purple, red and yellow. And these lights are repeating in the same order. The question is, what will be the color of 53rd light? Okay. Now because these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights, so they will repeat and the 48th light will be yellow. 48th light will be yellow. Why? Because 48 is a multiple of 6. So this pattern will repeat 8 times and we will be on the 48th light. and that will be yellow. After that we will have 49th, 50th, 51st, 52nd, 53rd. So this will be red. What is the answer? The answer is red. Just see it again. 48th light is yellow, and after that we have got 49th, 50th, 51st, 52nd, 53rd light. So that is red. The answer is E. Let us move on to question number 5. If x is equal to y plus 1 and y is greater than or equal to 1, then which one of the following is equal to x square minus y square? Okay, now this is x square minus 2xy plus y square, and this cannot be equal to x square minus y square. Similarly, this cannot be equal to x square minus y square. Okay, now what about x plus y? Okay, x plus y, x plus y is equal to x. For y, I can write x minus 1. So it is plus x minus 1. So what is this equal to? 2x minus 1. Okay. Now this is x square minus y square. Now because we have got x is equal to y plus 1, if I square both sides, I will get x square on the left hand side is equal to y square plus 2y plus 1. I transfer this to the left because I am required to find what is x square minus y square. So that will be x square minus y square is equal to 2y plus 1. Now what is 2y plus 1? Okay. Now 2y plus 1 is equal to x plus y. You can see it from here. 2y plus 1. Let me write it like this. 2y, because you see x is equal to y plus 1. Okay. And we have 2y plus 1. So what I am doing, I am multiplying it by 2. Both sides by 2. So I will get 2x is equal to 2y plus 2. But I need 2y plus 1. So I keep 1 here and transfer the other on the other side. So that will be 2x minus 1 is equal to 2y plus 1. So the answer is 2x minus 1. This is the answer. X plus y. Ignore this please. Okay. Now question number 6. Triangle ABC. Let me draw the triangle. This is ABC. Has a perimeter of 10. Okay. The perimeter is 10. Now lengths are all integers. They are all integers. If the magnitude of A, this is A, is if the magnitude of BC is A, so this is A, what is the difference between the largest value of A and the smallest value of A? Okay, the smallest value of A, can it be 1? No. Why? Because if this is 1, it will not be possible to draw a triangle because the sum of the other two sides will be 9, must be 9. So we cannot draw a triangle of which the sides are 5, 4 and 1. 5, 4 and 1, because the sum of two sides, any two sides must be greater than 5, which is not the case here. So 1 is not possible. This is not a possible answer. Okay. Now what about 2. 2 is quite possible, because if this is 2, then the other two sides can be the sum of the other two sides can be 8. Okay. So the smallest value can be 2. Okay. So this is the smallest value of A. Now what about the other two sides? The sum of the other two sides is 8, which is possible. We can have a triangle like this: 4, 4 and 2. This is possible. So 2 is possible. Let us now find the largest value of A. The largest value of A could be 4. Why? Because if A is 4, then the sum of the other two sides can be 6 or more, right? So the biggest value is 4 and the smallest value is 2, and the difference is 2. So this is the answer. Okay, I hope this is clear. I wish you good luck.